So you must make yourself valuable. The degree of your usefulness. Are you useful? Let me go ahead to tell you why I'm doing this seminar for free. Okay, I need 2 people from my team to come. If you're not handling the camera, just come forward. 2 persons, 2 persons. If you're not handling the camera, just come forward, okay? Thank you. All right. So, how much do you think we have spent? The one you know, how much do you think we spent for this seminar? Over 3 million. Thank you. You can go and sit down. How much did you think we spent? More than 2 million. All right. Thank you. Go and sit down. So, let's say between 2 million and 3 million, right? I'm a young boy. I'm 37 years old. I'm not married. I don't have a girlfriend. You think I don't know what to do with 2 million naira? No, I'm just thinking like I will leave my comfort in Abuja and say I want to do seminar. I mean, some people that are watching on the internet, they think I collect money from people. They start talking rubbish on the internet. They carve, they talk nonsense. After I don't gather them, collect money. That's how poor people talk. That's how. See, there's a gym center downstairs, right? Are you aware? Now, if you walk into that gym center, anybody that is gymming will not criticize you by telling you, why you the gym? You're not supposed to gym. Now lie. It is only people that are not gymming that will criticize you for gymming. When you are doing something, people that are doing that same thing will never criticize you. They'll say, oh boy, where are you won't be now? Teach me now. Or say, no, now you go teach me. Una go rapport. But people when they do something and then go they discourage you. It's not hard to spot people that don't know how to do things. Don't stress yourself. There are things that successful people know. They may not tell you, they know it. They don't have the time to come and tell you. Why go internet? Go say, some say, if they explain, no evidence. No evidence. So make I carry my evidence, can't give you online. Are you joking? Who are you? Why are you the one listening to me? Why am I not the one listening to you? Why is it that it's my video you are watching? Why am I not watching your video? So the reason I'm doing this seminar is for me to be relevant. It's for the degree of my usefulness in this country to be high. One day, something will happen somewhere. My name will pop up. They say, when somebody say, who is he? Somebody say, I know him. That guy, he did seminar for Kaduna. So say, I know him. He did seminar in Enugu. I watched his video. I follow him. I did this. I do that. That's who is it that everybody know him? Yes. That's what I'm doing. It takes time. It takes time. I've been going to different states, spending my money. If I leave here now, I'll go to another state. I will do it. And sometimes, before I would, like this one, I will spend a lot. This is the one where I spent the highest so far. Because I wanted excellence. You know, you don't do the same thing the same way. You have to keep improving. So I wanted excellence, spent a lot of money now, but at this level now. So I will go back, work some more money again, then plan for the next one. Plan for the next one. Why am I doing it? Value, value, value. I want to be high valuable. That when